My name is Xavier Solomon. I am the executive chef of the Montage in Los Cabos. Marea, it sits on the ocean. So for us, when we first saw the site of the restaurant, it was evident that it almost looked like you could be in the south of Spain or Portugal or even some part of the south of France. Yes, so my partner in crime is Jaron Dubinsky. We came here together from California to open this project in Mexico. All our seafood come from local fishermen here. Again, so Tuna Nicoise, classic French dish, you know, haricot vert, olives, potato, tomato. We do a little fennel puree on the bottom and greens. Because I'm French, I wanted to make sure that there was some French component into our menus. For example, we did a Bouillabasse, so fresh shrimp, fresh cabillaud, clams, and the broth finished with a little bit of the rouille, which is a garlic aioli, garlic saffron aioli. The tradition is to have a nice crouton to go with it, so you can, dip the bread in the sauce, and that's it.